Are you tired of having to scroll through other people's stuff in MidJourney every time you have to find your image? It's extremely frustrating. Did you know that you could set up your own private Discord server instead? And before you ask, yes, this still works on the free version of MidJourney. I'll share with you a few simple steps where you can do this in less than 2 minutes. Go into your MidJourney account and on the left-hand side, click Add a Server. Choose the option Create My Own. Then click for me and my friends. From here, name your server. Don't worry, you can change this later if you choose to. As well, you can upload a server icon image. Again, you can add or change this later. Then, click Create. Now go back to the public MidJourney server. Find any post created by the MidJourney bot and click its username. Then click Add to App. Choose the new server you just made from the drop-down and click Authorize. Now confirm you are human. From here, find your server in the left sign, the Discord interface. Click on your server and use either the existing text channel or create a new one. Congratulations. Just like that, you have your own server that is a totally clean workspace for you to create with and start creating images in MidJourney.